Graffiti text effect in Illustrator. Take the background rectangle. Take any color. Take a star shape with a line pattern. Align and group the star and background shapes. Go to Effect and choose 3D and Materials. Now an option will open in front of you which is called Inflate. Click it. A bubble effect is visible in front of you and you also see some options. We will set these options so that we can improve this effect. The object will choose and increase its depth. Now we will choose Materials and in it we will set Roughness and Metallic. Now it is the turn of Lightning, in which we will click on Standard. Here we will set the intensity, rotation, height and softness so that the bubble text effect is created very well. Switch to real-time preview. Check the change in effect. Click Render Settings and select High. Renders high resolution output. Click Renders. Check Layer Settings. You can change any color, whether it is background or top image. We can change it very easily. If you enjoy my work, please consider expressing your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your engagement helps me reach a wider audience and encourages me to create more content. Thank you for your support.